Good morning, students. Today we are starting exercise 1.1. You have to write on your notebook. Your first question is using appropriate properties. Find minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 plus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. Okay, we see the solution of this question. I have written this one as it is. Now we are watching that 3 5 by 5 is there and 3 by 5 is there. दोनों में 3 by 5 है, तो हम क्या करेंगे, इन दोनों टर्म को एक साथ लिख देंगे. तो माइनस 2 by 3 इंटू 3 by 5 माइनस 3 by 5 इंटू 1 by 6 प्लस 5 by 2 विल बी एज इट इज. देन 3 by 5 एंड 3 by 5 दोनों में 3 by 5 क्या है, कॉमन है. 3 by 5 कॉमन हो गया. नाउ वी हैव माइनस 2 by 5 minus 1 by 6. Now we take the LCM of 3 and 6. 3 and 6 LCM will be 6. Then 3 is there. 3 को क्या बनाना है, 6. तो किससे मल्टीप्लाई होगा, 2 से. 2 into 2. Then same as 6 into 1. That will be 6. 1 into 1. Okay, 5 by 2 will be as it is. Then 5 minus 5 by 2. Minus 2 into 2 minus 1 by 1 into 1 upon 6 plus 5 by 2. 3 by 5 will be as it is. 2 into 2 is minus 4 minus 1 into 1 minus 1 plus 5 by 2 also again as it is. Then 3 by 5 minus 5 by 6. अब देखिए माइनस 3 by 5 और माइनस 5 by 6 दोनों के बीच कोई साइन नहीं है, मतलब क्या साइन होगा, इनटू का, प्रोडक्ट का साइन होगा. ये 5 से 5 कैंसिल, 5 बन जा 5 एंड 5 बन जा 5. सेम एज 3 बन जा 3, 3 2 जा 6. न्यूमरेटर से न्यूमरेटर कैंसिल नहीं होता है. वी कैन नॉट cancel out numerator with the numerator. Then 5 by 2 will be as it is. Minus 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2. Again we will take the LCM of 2 and 2, so we will get 2. So there is minus 1 plus 5 upon 2. So minus 1 plus 5 will be 4. 4 upon 2. That is 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. So it will be 2. Okay. Then your next question is same as you have to solve this one. It is homework for you. Then we talk about question number 2. Your question number 2 is write the additive inverse of each of the following. Additive inverse find करना है. Already I have told in the first video that how can you find out the additive inverse. It is very simple. There is given 2 by 8. It is a rational number, 2 by 8. When we have to find out, when we find the additive inverse of any rational number, so we multiply by minus sign. So 2 by 8 is there, so additive inverse of 2 by 8 is minus 2 by 8. Then minus 5 upon 9 is there, so minus 5 upon 9. Minus से multiply होगा, so minus minus plus, it will be 5 upon 9. Then next question is minus 6 upon minus 5. We will multiply by 5. Minus minus plus, then it will be negative. So answer will be minus 6 upon 5. Then next question is verify minus into minus x is equal to x. It is very simple. We have given two sides. First of all, we will take left hand side. So left hand side is there minus x. X is, we have x equal to 11 upon 15. So we substitute in place of x 11 upon 15. Minus into minus will be plus 11 upon 50. RHS is x equal to 11 by 15. We are getting 11 by 15 in both sides, so it has verified now. Now we see the next question. Find the multiplicative inverse of the given rational number. Minus 13 is there. Minus 13 is there, so we can write is minus 13 upon 1. Also we can write minus 13 upon 1. So when we find out the multiplicative inverse of any rational number, so negative numerator will be denominator and denominator will be numerator. Reciprocal. It is known as reciprocal also. So minus 13 is there. We can write it minus 13 by 5. So it will be minus 1 upon 13. Then same as next question. Minus 13 upon 19 is there. So reciprocal of minus 13 upon 19 is minus 19 upon 13. Your next question is minus 5 upon 8 is there into minus 3 by 7. First of all, we will solve this. Then we will find out the multiplicative inverse of this. So very simple, we will multiply numerator with the numerator, denominator with the denominator. So minus 5 into minus 3, both are negative numbers. So minus into minus, first of all we multiply the sign, then we will take the numbers. So minus into minus, plus 3 5 ja 5, 5 3 ja 15, 8 7 ja 56. So 15 upon 6 is there, so 56 is there. So multiplicative inverse of 15 upon 56 is 56 upon 15. Then next question is question number 5. Question number 5 is find the property find the property under multiplication in each of the following. So it is very simple. Already we have given the number with the identity. We have to only find out that which identity we are using in this. So we are getting minus 4 upon 5 into 1 equal to 1 into minus 4 upon 5 is equal to minus 4 upon 5. Already I have told. Then if we multiply two rational numbers and we interchange each other, then we are getting same. So it will be multiplicative identity under multiplicative, it will be multiplicative identity. Then next question is minus 13 upon 17 into minus 2 upon 7 equal to minus 13 upon minus 2 upon 7 into minus 13 on 17. So we have only changed the place. It is the commutative. Already I have told A into B is equal to B into A. We are getting A into B is equal to B into A. In this condition, it is called multiplicative property. Then next question also same as what you have to solve. It is a multiplicative inverse. If we take two rational numbers and we multiply them, if we get 1, so that is a multiplicative inverse. Okay, then next question, multiply 6 by 13 by reciprocal of minus 7 upon 16. So first of all we find out the reciprocal of minus 7 upon 16. That will be minus 16 upon 7. Then we multiply with the 6 upon 17. 6 upon 13. 6 upon 13 into 16 upon minus 7. So 6 into 16, 13 into 7. 6 into 16 is 96. 13 into minus 7 is minus 91. Answer is minus 96 upon 91. Okay. And the last question, question number 8 is 8 by 9 is the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 and 1 by 8. Why or why not? So first of all we have given it in the mixed fraction. So we will make it as improper fraction. So minus 1 into 8 plus 1. It will be 8 plus 1 upon 8 minus. Then minus 9 upon 8 is there. We will multiply with 8 upon 9. So we are getting minus 1. Since we are getting minus 1, it means 8 upon 9 is not a multiplicative inverse of minus 1 and 1 by 8. But if we get 1, so it is a multiplicative inverse. Okay. Thank you. We will solve next exercise in the next video.